Hi, I'm Abhijeet Rege. I'm the founder of NITO. NITO is a future skills training institute. I discovered in my over 2 decades of working in the corporate world how important these skills like communication, strategic or analytical or critical thinking, the ability to collaborate and work with others are. Yet we find that we are not training on these skills and learning to become better. We focus much more on getting marks on our degree exams, and they are mostly technical skills. A Harvard, Stanford, and Carnegie Mellon study found that 85% of your success will come from these soft skills like communication skills, emotional intelligence, teamwork, or the ability to collaborate and partner with others. So, with that in mind, we founded NITO and are offering programs now in several areas like strategic thinking, communication effectiveness, and learning to use AI tools. I just finished a cohort of effective communications at our Kothrood Center, and I was blown away. Just the quality of the students, the progress they made, the lift that we saw in their communication skills was so energizing for me. They are now confident. They feel that they can have a personal brand. They can deliver that brand to you in a small, effective elevator pitch. They're able to be effective also in interpersonal communications and in any career environment, be it an interview or a group discussion. So, really, really energizing and very happy to see the progress.